And thank you very much, Honorable Chair, and greetings to all honorable members and compliments of the new year. Indeed, Honorable Chair, I fully agree with members who raise the issue of being proactive when it comes to the municipalities that allow people to settle on areas that are prone to disaster. This is a program that we are championing and we are receiving a good cooperation. But these people have been there for decades. It cannot happen overnight, but I fully agree. This is what must be addressed, and we need a collective support, even from all political parties, when we start the program of encouraging people to leave the areas that are prone to disaster. As we know, the period in which we are under severe climate change. And when it comes to the issue of accountability, we are seeing a good improvement in terms of holding our municipalities accountable. Even this additional money, we are going to follow it to see to it that it is being accounted for, and any irregularity, consequence management are going to be taken as we are doing a close monitoring. I wouldn't want to be judged in terms of the past. I would want us to be judged in terms of what we are doing currently. Thank you very much, Honorable Chair.
Thank you.